Hi skincare enthusiasts, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to do a brief demonstration on proper application of Mandelic Acid, and I'll also discuss the benefits of using Mandelic Acid and how it's helped me achieve and maintain clear skin. Okay, so we'll just dive right in. The first step into prepping your skin for Mandelic Acid is to cleanse your face. I'm going to be using the BP cleanser, BP as in benzoyl peroxide. It's a great everyday cleanser and you can find it on acne-fighting.com. I will say this, before you cleanse your face, it's very important to use warm water and not hot water. Hot water actually dries out the skin, and so using warm water is ideal. Okay, here we go. Alright, now that we've cleansed our face and gently dried it, the next step is to apply toner. I'm using the organic vitamin C toner, and I use this every time I tone. It's available at oaklandacne.com, but there are also other options you can try out too. Toner is actually very important, especially when it comes to preparing your skin for Mandelic Acid. Not only will the toner remove any sort of residual cleanser that you might have just from washing your face, it balances out the skin. Cleansers are bases, and the Mandelic is an acid, so when you tone, you're balancing out the pH of your skin, which will in turn make the Mandelic acid more effective. Alright, so I use a smooth cotton round. Avoid the texture ones just because they can irritate the skin potentially. About 7 to 8 sprays, just so you can lightly saturate the cotton round. Once you do that, just gently sweep it over your skin. Avoid the eye area. Just a nice even layer. Just a toner across your face. Once you do that, just let their skin absorb the toner. It shouldn't take very long. Since we've cleansed our face, we've applied our toner, our skin is prepped and ready for the final step and our main event, Mandelic Acid. I use the 5% strength, however, you'll want to work with a skincare specialist because depending on your skin's needs, you might require a different strength of product. To apply Mandelic Acid, you'll want to put 2 sprays in the palm of your hand, just like that, and then evenly distribute it across your face. Just put a smooth, even layer. Definitely avoid the eye area. You don't want to get any Mandelic acid in your eye. However, it's perfectly safe to use on the rest of your face. Be sure to let the Mandelic acid dry and that your skin has completely absorbed the Mandelic acid before you use other products or go about the rest of your skincare routine. I've had great success with Mandelic acid. For me, it's an essential element in my skincare routine, and that's because it's anti-inflammatory and it also kills bacteria, which in turn prevents breakouts. In addition, it fights folliculitis, but it also will lighten any sort of dark marks that you might have, so that way you can have a nice even complexion. Again, I recommend working with an acne specialist because they'll help you find not only the right strength of products, but the right combination, depending on your skin's needs. All the products I've used today are available at oaklandacne.com. And I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.